I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I always forget about this fan until I'm ready to use it. So when the weather shields first came out, I was a big fan. No pun intended. But yeah, I was a fan of them. So when this one came out with the thermostat, of course I bought it. It has a little small motor since they switched to capacitors, but whatever. So somehow the cord came loose from the little, they just put the sticky stuff in there to hold the cord in place. Yeah, that came loose. And I really just use this fan to circulate air in my laundry room. So when I realized it was making a clicking noise from that cord, maybe not just from the cord, maybe from the grill too. Let's see. What is that hitting on? Oh, it's hitting on more wire. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I just unplugged it and stopped using it, and that was like, I ain't even gonna lie, it was over a year ago. So yeah, but since it's been getting super cold at night, I actually want to use this fan because it has a thermostat on it. So yeah, let's see if we can see the, oh, can you guys see that? I can't even see that. Type 1 2017/18 piece of rice. Looks like something's printed right there, but I can't make it out. Yeah, I still can't make it out. Definitely can't make it out. I bet that's the model too. You can't even see it with the light on. It's like something right here, but I can't make that out. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, I don't think I have any zip ties, so I'm gonna just get this wire secured for now so I can use this fan tonight, and then later on we'll actually do a clean and service because I've never cleaned or serviced it. It's a shame it's getting rusty and stuff. But I actually bought this fan to use. Had I been thinking, I would have bought another one to keep in the box, but I didn't. So let's get this thing put to use. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, I did throw a little water on there to get some of the loose dust off. And while this fan is great, it doesn't have a thermostat on it. So let's give this whole thing a try. I don't know why my backyard light is on. The dogs are inside. There must be deer running around. Alright, did I plug it up? Yeah. Now, for this to be a premium box fan, I do have plenty of complaints. But we'll get into that when we do a deep dive on this fan. I mean, for a modern box fan, it performs like you would expect it to. I didn't even see if there was a startup sound. I was so busy yakking. Oh, okay. Let's utilize. Did y'all see that? Probably can't with this stupid light on. There we go. Thermostat does have a light. Okay. Let's use the thermostat to get it started up on low. Startup sound on there. So I think we're going to run it on medium. Yeah, that should get me back to sleep. Alright, y'all. This is my Lasko weather shield with the thermostat. Cool green light.